Hi, my name is Tyrone Humbles, and welcome to Captiva Spirits Craft Cocktails. Today we're going to be introducing you to our tropical punch. It's a punch that's been inspired by Captiva's sister island, Pine Island. So we call it our Pine Island punch. The ingredients that you'll need today are organic strawberry lemonade, Captiva Spirits Key Lime Honey Vodka, ginger ale, our shot glass, and a Tom Collins glass. We're going to start by filling the Tom Collins glass with ice. Next, we'll take our organic strawberry, and we're going to take approximately 3 ounces of strawberry. Lemonade, 2 ounces of Captiva Spirits Key Lime Honey Vodka. Please shake the bottle because our raw honey does settle, and to infuse it into the vodka, we'd like you to shake it a couple times before adding it to your cocktail. So, we're going to take 1, 2, we're going to top this off with ginger ale, garnish with a lemon wedge, add our straw, and our Seahorse ready for action. Cheers.